Why the diesel causes problems to the engine when it's low temperature?
When it gets colder, you will see that there's a building of paraffins. The lower the temperature, the more paraffins are built. It's a kind of wax crystal. And these solid parts are then in the fuel system, and time by time they are clogging the filter system of the engine. And if a relevant share of these particulates cover the filter surface, this filter gets blocked and the fuel supply to the engine stops. This is why some customer experience in cold ambient that engine is not able to start, or even worse, it will start and during the first minutes of operation the engine stops because of filter blocking. This is the behavior in very cold ambience with normal diesel fuel.
How can we overcome the situation?
In general, it's just to avoid this building of paraffin wax crystals during cold ambient temperature. So it sounds easy, but it isn't easy, because it's a chemical behavior of classical diesel fuel. And if you want to change this behavior, you have to change the chemical composition of the diesel fuel. And this is what we did. So we really deparaffined the diesel fuel by specific processes, by specific treatment, reduced the paraffinic content, and therefore we achieved that even with lower temperatures the fuel is clear and bright, that you see no wax crystals. And we reduced this, it's called cloud point, when it's the temperature when the first wax crystals are built, and we dropped this cloud point significantly. And with additional additives we could achieve that the operability of this max motion diesel is dropped down to -40.
So it's not just additives, you change the diesel at its core.
Definitely, yeah.
But the temperature is not the only thing that the new diesel brings.
Temperature is not the only thing. It might be the main thing, special for customers which are experiencing very cold ambient temperatures. But in addition, the engine protection is also an important target for us. What means engine protection? Engine protection means to care for a clean engine, because it's very clear, cleaner engine can provide better combustion, better fuel consumption, and at the end better emissions, which is important for the environmental as well.